Oh, excuse me. All right, we have another OR inequality, so that means I'm going to draw and treat this as two separate inequalities. I'm going to move the 9 over, so that means I'm going to add 9 to both sides. That's going to give me 11x is greater than 13 plus 9 is going to give me 22. Divide by 11. That gives me x is greater than 2. Move this 4 over, so we're going to add 4 to both sides. So it gives me 4x greater than 8 plus 4 is going to give me 12. Divide by negative 4. X is less than or equal to negative 3. So x is greater than 2 or x is less than negative 3. Number 11, we just have a normal inequality. We just need to make sure that we are dividing or distributing. 4 is divisible by negative 2, so I could go ahead and divide by negative 2 right now. So that gives me x is minus 5 greater than negative 2. Move the 5 over, so add 5 to both sides. That gives me x is greater than positive 5 minus 2 is positive 3. Number 12, we just have a lot of combining like terms here. So I'm going to move that 7 over. I'm going to keep my 4x, so that 4x is there. Then 7 times 3 is going to give me positive 21x. 7 times negative 3 is going to give me negative 21. Less than or equal to 9 minus 5x. Okay, I'm going to move that 5x over with the 4x. We're going to move it over here. So I'm going to add 5x to both sides. That cancels there. This gives me 4x, 4 plus 5, and then also plus 21. That's going to give me 30x minus 21, less than or equal to 9. We're going to move that 21 over, so we're going to add 21 to both sides. I'm going to come over here so I have room. Or, hold on, let me go ahead and just enter. There we go. Okay. Giving me some more space. That cancels. So this gives me 30x less than or equal to 21 plus 9 is going to give me 30. Divide by 30. That gives me x is less than or equal to 1. So understand how to determine functions from various relations. All right, that's 13 through 15. In this table list given, I've got a bunch of different options, and we want to know whether or not it relates to a function or not. All we need to do is see if x repeats. If I look at question number 1, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. X does not repeat, so that is a function. That is a function. Number 2, I have 2 going to 4, 5 going to 0. 5 also goes to 8, so that makes it not a function. Now, this question here, I've got negative 4, negative 1, 0, and 5. That is a function. Now, if I do a vertical line test, this fails at being a function here and there. So that is not a function. This one here, though, passes the vertical line test. It's only hitting that graph at that one time, so that is a function. I've got negative 4 to negative 7, negative 1 to 3, 0 to 2, 5 to negative 7. That is it, makes it a function. Okay? And then I will do the next video on the last few questions. See you then.